So for this one, they said, for which values of k will the equation have no real roots? And they give you the equation x is equal to x squared plus k, and they're looking for no real roots. Dit is 2017 toets 1 vraag 2. Okay. Julle mag dalk nog sulke skry terwyl julle besig is om deur toetse te werk. More important than this is knowing your theory for your nature of the roots. Hierdie, as julle so ene kry, gaan daar net een van hulle wees. So dit is belangriker dat jy fokus op die, ek wil amper sê die basics. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to write it as x squared minus x plus k is equal to 0. Right? I'm writing it in its standard form. Even though there's a second variable there, I still follow the steps I would normally follow. Okay. Now, back to your theory. Wanneer iets nie reële wortels het, wat weet ons van die driehoekie? Soort van, ons kom nou daarby uit. Wanneer iets nie reële wortels het, wat weet ons van die driehoekie? What must the value of the triangle be for you to write down no real roots? It must be a negative value. Nee? Okay. So al wat ek nou moet doen is ek moet sê, met ander woorde, ek wil uitwerk vir watter waardes van k gaan my driehoekie kleiner wees as 0. So I'm going to solve an inequality. Okay. So, how do we represent the driehoekie? That's what I'm looking for. Now, what is the value of b in that equation? Yes? Minus 1. Good. What's the value of a? 1. What's the value of c? K. Sien julle? Hy is die konstante, né? The value that doesn't have a x. Sien julle, hy het nie 'n x by hom in die term nie. So that could have been a 4 or a 5 or a 9 or a whatever. That is the constant value. In other words, that is the value for c. En dis eintlik die enigste vangplek in hierdie vraag. Okay, so then you have 1 minus 4k is smaller than 0. In other words, 1 is smaller than 4k. So alle waardes van k kleiner as 'n kwart. But this is the important theory that you have to know. As hulle vir jou vra vir watter waardes gaan hy nie reële wortels hê, dan beteken dit jy gaan stel daai diskriminant, you set that little b squared minus 4a to smaller than 0 and you solve.
Ek verstaan as jy 'n som kry waar dit 'n negatiewe is soos 4k nou, maar dit was negatief dan moet ons die teken verander.
Yeah. Okay, so she's saying, let's say for instance, you got minus 4k is smaller than 1. Remember, when you divide by the minus 4, you swap the direction. Nee. So dan word hy. This part is normal. Nee, as jy deel deur minus 4 dan kry jy mos min 'n kwart daar, maar kyk net wat het daar gebeur. Onthou die rigting het dan omgedraai. Ja. Maar ek het nou daai net opgemaak. Okay.